Good morning and welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are fitting arguably the best looking and probably the best sounding exhaust to the MX5, the Malian. Now, we've got a sticker. We're just going to get rid of this little pea shooter and put a nice fat jack can on it. Eventually there'll be a bumper cut that I'll do, but I'm not sure if that'll happen today. If it does happen today, it'll be in a separate video, but you'll see the B-roll and it'll all make sense. What we need to do though, jack the car up, get up on jack stand, safe, and then remove the little pea shooter that we have here. And then we'll go through the Malian exhaust. So, the car is up. All we need to do is go under there, unbolt those bolts, and then remove all the hangers up to this point, and the car we can just bring down. So I don't know if the bumper cut's going to happen today because I won't have time to take off the bumper support. Yeah, fog light MOTs. But what I may do is look at getting a jacking bar for the rear, so I can do the bumper cut and the jacking bar all at the same time, and it'll look quite smart, I think. So yeah, that's the plan for now anyway, and if it changes we'll let you know. But let's first of all get this bad boy off. Alright, so now we've got the exhaust off. As you can see, a lovely decal pipe just down there. All we need to do now is unbox. I've also got the baffle remover, so we're gonna, I've not even seen this yet, so let's grab a knife and actually just rip it. Ooh. Look how good and shiny it looks. Look at that jack can. So it's split into two parts, obviously. There's your centre pipe. That's what we'll get on first. It's got the fitting hardware down there, which is lovely, and the real thing you actually want to see. So in the kit, we've got the centre pipe, the back pipe, or the back box I should say, with a little resonator in here. This is completely straight through, so it might be quite loud, but who knows. Nice chunky end, we'll go through that in a second. Fitting kit, which is great. Really nice that they supplied the gaskets as well, and I believe a little thank you card and a sticker. This will make the system a 4-to-1 decal Malian exhaust, so it's going to be pretty loud, but I don't daily the car because that's a daily, so not that. So it'll be fine. It'll be alright. I don't mind being obnoxious. It's going to be tracked anyway, and you can track with these. I've seen and heard, so it should be alright. Anyway, let's get on and do what we got to do. So I have a 4-point jack lift that I haven't actually set up yet, so that would make this job a million times easier. Also, I think I need to go around and clean up all these arms. It's the smart thing to do, I believe. So I might actually start on that today. Although I can't do it. We'll see what happens. Anyway, so there's our decal pipe right here. We're going to loosely pop on all of the exhaust hangers for the centre pipe just here. Get it up and secured. Keep that nice and hanging up in there. We're going to lightly put the bolts through, put a little bit of copper grease on, just because it's gone on the underside of the car. No one likes rust, because rust is shite. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Get that all set up and through. Actually, maybe not copper grease, maybe we'll put some sort of grease on it, just hope they don't rust over. Next thing is, yeah, get that up. And I'm trying to film, but I don't know if the camera's going to fall. Nice and snug. Nice. we're in, as you can see. If the car was higher, it would be done a lot quicker and easier, but actually it's not taking too bad. Just take your time to put it all together. Yeah, now it's time to get on to the fun bit. Just remember, oh actually let's go out a bit because we can. So, on a Unos, in theory, you don't have to move any of this, and there is no bar going across, whereas some of the Mark 1s, which are built in the UK, you do, but we should be alright, so plain sailing, hopefully, fingers crossed. Here we are. It's got the baffle in there, you can see. We'll probably take that out and paint that at some point, but or just take it out completely, who sees. Yeah, look at it, gorgeous looking. It's going to look quite nice, I hope. Let's get under and connect it all up nice and loosely, tighten down, and then we can actually start this sucker. Oh. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it. That's exactly what I want. Yes. Oh, that's so sick. Now, sticker, not a lie. Yes. Now let's go under, tighten it all down from the back. And with that, we should be done. We've just had a lovely freak shower and it's all a bit wet, but now you can see how lovely it is. What the hell? Anyway, it's time. So, the system itself is all in. We've got a 421 manifold down to a D-cat, down to the catback, which is the Malian cat. Hopefully you can tell how good that sounds. It's loud, but it's good, I like it. It looks fantastic as well, definitely looks good. So, I'm gonna let it run through, do a couple of heat cycles with it, and then go and tighten it all back up again, just in case it's flexed at all. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please smash that like button. The car is now pretty much done. The next bits will be cooling and things like that, but hopefully we can get it up on track soon. Got some more stickers and stuff to put, because stickers are cool. Anyway, I'll catch you all in the next one. Stay safe, look after yourselves, and see ya.